Hey homie, welcome back to my channel Born Whom It Is, and this is the review video. So you will see me talking about the very famous brand of almost all the influencers currently, and this brand is Sugar Cosmetics, which is an Indian brand. So today I'm going to talking about my experience about the product, which is the Ace of Face foundation stick, and that is what interests you. Then please keep on watching this video till the end. So without wasting our time, let's get to the video. So before starting this review, let me just educate you within 2 minutes how to find your correct foundation shade. So there are mainly two ways you can find your foundation shade. So one way is that you can check your foundation by applying in this area and you will find your correct shade. If you're buying foundation in the store, means offline, so in this way you can find your correct foundation shade. Then there is second step is that if you want to know what's your undertone, then just check your vein color. If it is blue, then it's cool undertone. If it is green, then your warm undertone, and it's both mixed shade, then your neutral undertone, and accordingly you can choose your foundation shade. Now let's just start our review. So this is the product you will get from Sugar brand, and this is their packaging. I absolutely love their packaging. Look at on this side you will find their brand name, their brand logo, then the product name and the shade and number also. Say again, on the one side of this cubic you will find shade or number only. Then on the other side you will find ingredients and where this product has manufactured. So this sugar stick has manufactured in Korea. On another side you will find all information related to manufacturing. So it is manufactured by Coco Cosmetics Limited. Then manufacturing date is 19 and you can use it before 22. So it's 2 years shelf price. Then also you will get batch number, MRP, net weight. Its net weight is 12 grams, and for 12 grams you will have to pay $9.99 according to this MRP, but definitely on Sugar website you can buy this product for $7.99 rupees. Also, if you want to contact the brand, then they have mentioned their email ID also, so you can easily contact them. On Sugar website you will find so many offers, combo offers mainly, and also you will find this product on Nykaa, Sugar Cosmetic, Amazon, Purple.com, Foxy, etc, etc. I'll try to mention all the links in the description bar, so don't forget to check out the below bar. And yeah, now let's actually see how the product is. So this is how you will get the stick, and I have used it couple of times now, and I must say I love this stick because I'm not such a big fan of foundation which are liquidy instead. I mostly like such kind of products, such kind of foundation sticks. They are easy to use, they are travel friendly. And why I don't like liquidy foundations, because you know they tends to spread anywhere. I don't like to get my hands dirty using liquidy foundation, so I mostly prefer such kind of sticks. So yeah, so this is the actual product you will get in your hand after opening the box, and I absolutely love this because you know it is black in shade and the print is in white, and it absolutely attract customers. So on the periphery of this cylinder you firstly see this logo and the brand name. Then also they have written Ace of Face foundation stick, the shade number and name, and it is made in Korea, so that is also mentioned here. Also you will find the shade number and shade name on the surface of the cylinder, which is great according to me, because you will find out so easily what's the shade and shade number so instantly. As a consumer point of view, this is amazing packaging. You can see each and every detail very easily. So in this sugar stick you will get 12 grams of actual product, and this is the product. The packaging is very tight, so if you are clumsy just like me, then don't worry about your clumsiness. You will never waste your product by your clumsiness, because this packaging is quite good. No, not quite, this packaging is awesome. Look how tight it is. Okay, so it has lipstick like opener like this. Then let's just see what we have on the other side. So you will get brush on this side, which is very soft. The bristles are soft. I just love this. So what I like and don't like about this brush, I'm going to tell you. It is easily removable. So they have 2 points. According to me, I like it because it is removable and I can use it like this. But if you're using with stick, then it may get open frequently, so that is what I don't like. But yeah, according to your perspective, you can use it. If you want to use it like this, then you can definitely use it. It is quite good like this, to use like this. And if you want to use with stick, then you can use it definitely, but the stick is quite heavy, so while application of foundation, you may feel that your hand is tired because this is quite heavy. So I will prefer it using like this. Actually, I found out this thing after using it after a couple of days, and now this application is quite handy for me, so I like it to use it this way only. Now let's just start application and check out how this stick is working. I have already used it a couple of times, and I literally like it, but let me show you guys how soft and buttery application it has. So I just love this. So I'm going to show you 2 ways. On the half of this my face, I'm going to use this brush, and on the half and on the other side, I'm going to use my beauty blender. So we'll see the difference how this brush is working, and yeah, let's check out. So while shooting, I will give you some more information about this foundation. So let's do it. Okay, so check out how easily it gets blend. If you are not comfortable using sugar brush like this, then you can go for a beauty blender or else any other foundation brush you have. Also, the fact is that you don't need too much foundation of this stick, because you know it gets spread so easily on your face. Results of this sugar foundation brush is so soft, it won't leave any mark on face, and if they do, then they are very light. I want to add one more point about choosing foundation. So there are some foundation in the market who gets oxidized, so choose one shade lighter than your actual shade. Now look at the foundation application. It is so seamless, so like skin, and it's just amazing. You don't need too much quantity of sugar foundation, you need a little bit, and you can spread it evenly on your face. Look at the difference, and after some time you will see it's actually your skin color. Don't worry about the color shade, it is going to get a little bit oxidized and it is going to make it like your skin color. So just relax and just enjoy this beauty of sugar foundation stick. For second half of my face, I'm going to use a damp beauty blender. I'm going to apply this sugar foundation using that, and it is also going to work so well. Just always remember that don't use dry beauty blender, always make it wet. Don't make it so much wet that it is going to drip a water from your beauty blender. Don't use such beauty blender, just make it a little bit moisturized and then use it on your face. If you ask me, Vedika, what's your favorite way to apply application, then definitely it is beauty blender. I don't like using brush so much, but mostly I feel that beauty blender works like magic on your face, so I mostly prefer beauty blender definitely over brush. Also, there are some cons also. If you have liquidy foundation, then definitely don't go for beauty blender, go for foundation brush definitely, because that way you are going to get a seamless application for liquid foundation. Also, if your beauty blender is not good in quality, then you may find some kind of wastage of product. So it's your choice, you can choose it according to your preference. It's up to you. Mostly I prefer to go for one layer of foundation, but definitely this sugar foundation stick is buildable, but I think it tends to get little patchy when you apply it twice or thrice, so I don't like to use it that way. And now I'm just using it as my skin color concealer, not highlighting concealer. I want to hide some of my dark circles, or you can use it to hide your hyperpigmentation, then also your blemishes on your skin, like that. I didn't feel that it is not blending when I applied second layer. It is working so well. Just thing is that it's been a little patchy in some area. If you have dry skin, then definitely it's going to create some patchiness nearby your lips area, or else on your forehead. Because I have dry skin and the T-zone area is super oily, so I have kind of mixed kind of skin type, so it tends to get patchy nearby my lips area most of the time. So I'm just going for blending once again to make it look like flawless. Then talking about its coverage, so you will get medium coverage if you applied it for once, and if you applied for twice, then you may feel you are getting much better coverage. But I like to use it like natural way, so yeah. Okay, so that is all the thoughts about this product I just told you, and let me just quickly summarize you guys what I like and what I don't like about this product. So first of all, I absolutely love the packaging, white and black color. Then the shade number and shade is mentioned right on the surface of the cylinder, so it is very easy to find out. That is what I like about it. Then it's very handy, it's travel friendly, you can carry it anywhere, in your college bag, in your pouch also, so you don't need to worry about the leakage, because it is stick, it's not liquid instead, so that is pretty good about this stick. So you can use your preferable amount of product, because it has lipstick like opener, so you can just use it the way the amount you wanted. Because I just use two swipes on this side and two swipes on this side, and that's it. That is pretty good, and you don't need to use so much amount on your face, and that is what I like about this product. Also, it has medium coverage. You don't have to use so much amount on your face to cover your acne and your pigmentation. It will give you good medium coverage. If you want to build this, then you can definitely use 2 layers or 3 layers, but I will suggest you do not use it, because after some time it will get crease on this line, the smile line, or this nose area. So I will suggest you guys to do not build it up 2-3 layers, and it will crease definitely after some time. Then what I like about this foundation is that its formula, it's so creamy and it's just amazing, so smooth, so buildable, then blendable also, and that is what I like about this. Also, whenever you apply it, you will definitely feel that it's not my shade, because after when I got this stick and I use it for the first time, I thought that this is not my correct shade. But I'm going to tell you guys secret about this foundation stick. It is that after some time you will feel that it's actual your skin. It gets so natural. After some time you will feel that it is actually your skin. You don't feel so heavy after application of this foundation. I absolutely love this stick. They have some I mean 1 or 2 cons about the stick, but apart from that, which are literally not considerable also. So apart from that, I just love it, and yeah, that is what I thought about it. That is what I experienced about this product, and yeah, that's it. So if you like this review, if you find this is helpful, then don't forget to share with your friends, and also do not forget to hit that like button. And if you have different thoughts about this product, then definitely mention that in the comment section below. I'll check it, and I'll mention my thoughts about this product if I forgot to mention in this video. So yeah, and let's build our community, Born Homie community. So thank you for watching this video, and love you guys already. Please keep loving and take care. Bye bye. See you in the next video.